group theory, we are going to see about introduction of point groups and then CNV and CNH point group in this lecture. The point group, all the symmetry operations present in a molecule form a group. A group is generally called point group. Since all the elements of symmetry present in the molecule intersect at a common point and this point remains fixed under all symmetry operations of a molecule. The point groups of a molecule are denoted by specific symbol. To identify the point group in a molecule, we have to see is the molecule is linear? Yes. Yes means is there center of inversion? Yes. Yes means it should possess D infinity H point group. No means the molecule will possess C infinity V point group. And then if it is not linear, we have to go this side. Does the molecule have DT, OH and DH symmetry? Yes means the molecule will assign DT, OH and IH, that is tetrahedral, octahedral like point group. No means we have to consider is there a principal CN axis, and in this no means it will not, that is it will not have CN principal axis means we have to consider is there a plane mirror. Yes means the molecule possesses CS point group. It will not have plane, that is mirror plane means we have to consider is there a center of inversion. Yes means the molecule possesses CI point group. No means the molecule will possess C1 point group. And then we have to go there. Is there a principal CN axis? Yes. Are there n C2 axis perpendicular to the CN axis? Yes. Yes means we have to consider is there a sigma H plane, that is the plane perpendicular to the CN axis. Yes means the molecule possesses DNH point group. No means we have to consider are there n sigma V planes, the plane containing the CN axis. These sigma V planes are of the D, that is sigma D dihedral type means the molecule will possess DND point group or else it will possess only DN point group. No means is there a sigma plane, that is the plane perpendicular to the CN axis? Yes, the molecule will possess CNH point group. No means we have to consider are there n sigma V planes, that is the plane containing the sigma CN axis. Yes means the molecule possesses CNB. No means the molecule possesses CN point groups. Here we have given some molecules and formula of that molecules and this geometry with point group. First one is mercury chloride, which belongs to AB2 type with linear geometry and center of inversion. This belongs to D infinity H point group. Hydrogen, and the formula is A2 with the linear structure and it possesses I, and it will also belongs to D infinity H point group. And then hydrochloric acid AB type without I and linear geometry. This belongs to C infinity V point group. Carbonyl sulfide with the formula ABC without I, linear structure C infinity V. Water molecule AB2 type, angular structure, it belongs to C2V point group. Methylene chloride AB2C2 tetrahedral C2V point group. Chloroform, which belongs to AB3C tetrahedral geometry C2V point group. Ammonia AB3 pyramidal structure C3V point group. Boron trifluoride AB3 BF3 molecule triangular planar structure which belongs to D3H point group. Phosphorus pentafluoride, that is AB5 type trigonal bipyramidal structure with the D3H point group. Tetrachloroplatinate 2 ion, which belongs to AB4 2- formula with the square planar geometry. The point group is D4H. Bromine pentafluoride AB5 square pyramidal structure which belongs to C4V point group. Sulfur hexafluoride AB6 SF6 formula belongs to octahedral geometry with OH point group. Iodine heptafluoride AB7 type and belongs to pentagonal bipyramidal geometry with the D5H point group. Here we have summarized the point groups with the characteristic symmetry and comments. CS point group possesses only E and 1 sigma plane and Ci point group possess only E and the inversion center as a characteristic symmetry elements. Cn point group possess E and one principal n-fold axis. CnV point group possess E, one principal n-fold axis, n number of sigma v planes. CNH point group E, one principal n-fold axis, one sigma h plane, one Sn-fold axis which is coincident with the Cn axis, and it will have the Sn axis necessarily follows from the Cn axis and sigma v plane. For n equal to 2, 4, 6, there is also one inversion center. DNH point group, we will have E, one principal n-fold axis, n C2 axis, one sigma h plane, one n sigma v plane, one Sn-fold axis. For n, here also it will have the Sn axis necessarily follows from Cn axis and sigma h plane. For n equal to 2, 4, 6, there is also an inversion center. DND point group, E, one principal n-fold axis, n C2 axis, n sigma v planes, one S2 n-fold axis. Here n equal to 3, 5, there is also an inversion. DD, tetrahedral point group, OH, octahedral point group, IH, icosahedral point group. Here we have given some examples for CNH point group. In CNH, C2H difluorodiazine with the formula C3H planar with the formula CNV, C2V point group water molecule, C3V ammonia and PCl3, C4V square pyramid with the BRF5, C infinity V, HFCO, HCN, CN, C2, that is which has a gap conformation into H4, and C3, DNH, D3H point group, PF3, D4H platinum tetrachloride ion, D5H organometallic compound, D6H benzene, DND, D infinity H acetylene F2N2, DND, D2 allene, D4D organometallic compound, D5D an organometallic compound, DN, D3 ruthenium complex, that is an organometallic compound. Now elaborately see CNV point group, a molecule which possesses the identity element, proper axis of symmetry and n vertical planes of symmetry belongs to CNV point group. For example, C2V point group, now we have to consider the water molecule C2, that is H2O, which possesses C2V point group, which will have 4 symmetry operations, E, C2 and 2 sigma V. Here we have represented the molecular structure with the C2 axis of symmetry, which passes through the oxygen atom. The molecule has two-fold C2 axis of symmetry, which passes through the oxygen atom in between 2 hydrogen atoms. And the molecule 2 has 2 vertical sigma V planes. One is the molecular plane containing oxygen and hydrogen atoms, and the other is passing through the C2 axis perpendicular to the molecular plane through oxygen atom and 2 hydrogen atoms. C3V point group, ammonia, belongs to C3V point group, which consists of 6 symmetry operations, 1 identity element, 2 C3 axis and 3 sigma V. Here we have represented the 3D structure of ammonia molecule, and C3 axis which passes through the hydrogen atom. We are rotating it by 120 degree, and in here we have represented 3 sigma V planes. The axis passes through n atom, and the center of a triangle containing 3 hydrogen atom is a 3-fold C3 axis. There are 3 sigma V plane, each passing through n atom and one of the hydrogen atom. They are designated as sigma V dash and sigma V double dash. And next, CNH point group. If molecule has the identity element, proper axis of symmetry Cn and a horizontal plane, it is assigned the point group CNH. The inversion center I is also present in this group if order of Cn axis is even. Consider trans trichloroethylene. Here we have represented C2 axis. The molecule has center of symmetry because It is having even number, and inversion center is present here. There is twofold axis of symmetry C2 perpendicular to the molecular plane. This molecular plane passing to the Cl and H atoms in horizontal sigma H plane. Thank you.